Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering the iPad on and unlocking it. This gives you access to system info instantly. Once done, open Settings, tap General, then About. This is where Apple lists identifiers. Make sure to scan the top of the page slowly because Imei appears among serial and model numbers. If your iPad has a SIM tray, eject it and inspect the tray or back for printed Imei. This verifies the on-screen value and speeds cross-checking. You now focus on the detailed identifiers. In About, look for Imei and Imei 2 if the iPad supports dual SIM. Also copy the serial number. To confirm, connect to a computer and open Finder or iTunes. Device info should show the same Imei. This proves software consistency. If you use Find My, you can match the device listing too. Make sure to check settings, right arrow cellular to see carrier info. Because Imei helps determine lock status, you finish by recording the Imei precisely. Type it into Notes or a password manager so you don't misread digits. If the on-screen Imei doesn't match the printed one, reboot the iPad, update to the latest iOS, and recheck the SIM tray. This often resolves display glitches. If problems persist, restore the device via Finder/iTunes, and if that fails, contact Apple support with the serial and purchase proof so they can investigate hardware or activation issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.